master villain in bacterial world? It is none other than Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which kills around 2 million people annually by affecting the lungs. Also, it can survive inside our body without showing any symptoms for a long time, but activates when our immune system is weak. Because this bacterium is hiding inside a fortress. What is this fortress is? Remember, the rigid and complex cell wall is the bacterial fortress which always protects the bacteria in harmful environment and acting as a permeability barrier for most of the antibiotics entering from. Because of that, many potential treatments fail to be effective and tuberculosis remains the second most deadly disease even in 2024. So, how do we overcome this challenge? Simply, if we can destroy the bacterial cell wall, there's no any survival of the bacteria. This is the scientific problem I'm addressing in my PhD. We were inspired with an ancient story called Trojan horse. Just as Greek soldiers once used a wooden horse to enter their enemy's city secretly. And interestingly, now this concept has become a well-established and target-oriented drug delivery method. Instead of a wooden horse, I use a naturally occurring sugar called trehalose for delivering new drug-like compounds into bacteria. Because as chemists, we always motivated by Mother Nature. So, why trehalose? Well, imagine a delicious food in front of you now. You will be so happy. Bacterium sees the trehalose in a similar way. It's a very good food source only for bacterium. When it sees trehalose, it opens its rigid cell wall without any suspicion and welcomes trehalose into it. But wait, this innocent trehalose is not alone. I have chemically modified it and attached new drug-like compounds that I made in the lab as a small weapon. Once it gets inside the bacteria secretly with the help of trehalose, my little heroes start the action movie and destroy the bacterial cell wall components. When we tested this new concept with 3 different TB cell lines, we observed that these trehalose attached drug-like compounds destroy the bacterial cell wall components by targeting specific enzymes. Also, bacterium is dying within 24 hours. On top of that, this approach was safe for human cell lines, showing no toxicity, which means I am introducing an innovative approach for tuberculosis drug development and I am dreaming a TB-free world.